the distance was, and at the mid there comes India. एक आते हैं ना कि एक दो कंट्री के बीच में एक मुनाफिक, तो just imagine how both country can develop, how they can maintain their relationship. Accepted that subcontinent British India would be separated, is Pakistan and Bangladesh, or East Pakistan or West Pakistan should be created. Was distance, as I'm not telling you by my own. It is written in Pakistan study book, the metric. It's in the board. So I have read it out and I just make Hindu teachers role is 10 million people from Indian. They were living to the Bangladesh from 1947 to 1971. But it began from 1952. The East Pakistan and West Pakistan, the relationship become little bit hindrance, resistance were coming. And after that ये सब कुछ होता गया. But 1952 में हुआ क्या था? लैंग्वेज इशू. और 1972 में मेरिट जो थी वो मेरिट 22% थी. Why are those who are working hard उनके लिए 22% from 100 so small? कि वर्ल्ड टाइम में यही लिखा हुआ है कि नाउ व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ईस्ट पाकिस्तान एंड वेस्ट पाकिस्तान. As you know that our foreign minister Ishaq Dar, he visited to the Bangladesh. Come back on my channel, and today the topic on which I want to speak is about East Pakistan and West Pakistan. As you know the relationship about East Pakistan and West Pakistan, now Bangladesh and Pakistan. But from 1947 till 1971, they were called as East Pakistan and West Pakistan. This video में I wouldn't be telling you deeply whatever happened between East Pakistan and West Pakistan, but I will tell you the main bullet point. If you are writing any question, these main bullet point will be helpful to recall it and make it lengthy. So what happened is we know that 1947 till 1971. Now India never ever accepted that subcontinent British India would be separated, as Pakistan and Bangladesh or East Pakistan or West Pakistan should be created. So they were unwanting to be that, but unfortunately by the lamentable and by the help of Allah Almighty, Pakistan becomes separated. But still this prejudice India was creating in the mind of Bangladesh, Bengali people at Pakistan are not supporting you. They are not being humble with you. So huge problems, huge issues were there. Okay, let's crack it down from the beginning. First issue between East Pakistan and West Pakistan was the distance. As you can see, it 1000 mile East Pakistan and West Pakistan, the distance was, and at the mid there comes India. एक आते हैं ना कि एक दो कंट्री के बीच में एक मुनाफिक, तो just imagine how both country can develop, how they can maintain their relationship. So the first issue was distance, as I'm not telling you by my own. It is written in Pakistan study book, the metric. It's in the board. So I have read it out and I just make a video for you people to give you information. Second issue, economic. West Pakistan, East Pakistan. East Pakistan was developing day by day. Not developing, but they were earning huge amount. But that amount was going to be invested in West Pakistan. Inequality. And it was unequivocally clear that East Pakistan, they were earning and they were utilizing in West Pakistan. Second, political disparity or instability. That Awami League, they won a huge amount. From 169 vote, they win 167, but unfortunately they can't make a government because military and supporting and political leaders of West Pakistan and military, they were supporting to the West and they just want to rule the central government. So these were mostly few important things which created the problems. And in metric class Pakistan study book, one thing more is written about the Hindu teachers role. Is 10 million people from Indian, they were living to the Bangladesh, East Pakistan. So and they were teachers. So they put it prejudice in the mind of students, and students they comes out on the road and they just did strike against West Pakistan. Their officers were not humble, as that thing is written on the book. Officers of West Pakistan, not from the East Pakistan. East Pakistan was so humble, is they were thinking that we are servant of people. But when West Pakistan went to the East Pakistan, they were thinking that we are superior. So these things just created inequality among the people of East and West Pakistan. The Hindi teachers, they were just putting prejudice in the mind of students कि आपके साथ ना इंसाफी हो रही है. And again, what happened? The crisis happened. Instability that comes in East Pakistan, and they created Mukti Bahami. And India, they were supporting to the Mukti Bahami. तो इस वजह से पाकिस्तान they just initiated the Operation Searchlight, जिसका मकसद एम was to just reduce instability, but उनके खिलाफ ही कुछ अलग ही हो गया. They were just killing the people of East Pakistan, and the same thing which we were not thinking about those people which were patrioticized, which were having patriotism. They just become shocked at how Bangladesh becomes separate, how East Pakistan becomes separate. It was a relationship from 1947 to 1971, but it began from 1952. The East Pakistan and West Pakistan, the relationship become little bit hindrance, resistance were coming. And after that ये सब कुछ होता गया. But 1952 में हुआ क्या था? Language issue. Language issue start from 1952. उसकी वजह से ये इश्यूज उभरते गए 1971 में अलग हो गया. Now after that you know very well about Pakistan. Let's talk about the Bangladesh. 1971 से लेकर 1944 Awami League, Mujibur Rahman, he did regime over there, and he was assassinated because of instability, which created huge issues over there. Now after that there comes a military rule. Ziaur Rahman, who just created Bangladesh Nationalist Party. After that in 1981 he was also assassinated, and after that till 1990 Arshad Hussain, he was a military and he was just ruling in Bangladesh. But although Bangladesh did develop their country economically, because they were just improving their government, ready-made, and remittance, and they were doing trade with a different country. So Pakistan recognized Bangladesh in 1974 because of the Islamic Summit, which was happened in Lahore in 24 February to 1974 till 22 to 24 February. So, but the relationship with Pakistan and Bangladesh were not good, because in 1990 there comes a daughter from Awami League, the daughter of Mujibur Rahman, Hasina. She was supporting to the Indian. As you can see in video that how she went to the India, and she just supported India. That's why Pakistan was on just the relationship between Pakistan and Bangladesh was freeze from 1990 up to the 2024. What happened in 2024? Protests against the Sheikh Hasina due to the quota system. Quota system क्या है? Quota system ये कि they were just keeping seat for those people which were part of 1971 war, जो उनमें हिस्सा लिया था, जिन्होंने उनके लिए जॉब वो रख रहे थे कि ये जॉब इनके लिए है. Those who will come merit through merit, we wouldn't be giving them. But वहाँ से अगर वो फेल भी होते हैं, वो अगर पास भी होते हैं, उनके स्कोर कम है, we will be giving them. So that was prejudice and inequality among the Bengali people, and the quota system was introduced in 1972. और 1972 में मेरिट जो थी वो मेरिट 22% थी. Why are those who are working hard उनके लिए 22% from 100 so small? तो 2018 में they have just reformed and they just make it 44. I want to ask from you, 44, how much population Bangladesh have? Bangladesh is a Muslim country. So after that अभी Supreme Court ने after protest of student, अब 93% there is the merit system in Bangladesh. Now I want to tell you कि right now I have read the book of World Time, कि World Time में यही लिखा हुआ है कि now what is the relationship between East Pakistan and West Pakistan. As you know that our foreign minister Ishaq Dar, he visited to the Bangladesh and they spoke on different things on foreign office consultation. He visited over there and you can see our Shah Shamshadi also visited to Bangladesh, and our Mohsen Naqvi who visited the Bangladesh even in the interim government when Muhammad Yunus became the head of Bangladesh. Interim government is formed, and Muhammad Yunus, he is a Nobel Prize holder. He got Nobel Prize in 2006. Now Pakistan and Bangladesh, they are maintaining a good relationship, and Shehbaz Sharif was the first who recognized and gave congratulations to the Muhammad Yunus for being a prime minister. So nowadays, Pakistan relationship are going ahead. And the first time that we have seen the ship which were crossed from Pakistan port to the Bangladesh port. And nowadays they are having good relationship. Is our